Hi there, it's year 3 here. So I'm just going to talk to you about maths for next half term, summer 1. Next half term then we're going to be looking at money, and we're also going to be looking at multiplication and division. So if you would like to help your children at home where money is concerned, maybe you could look at the different types of coins that there are and what their values are. You could also look at the notes and what their values are, and perhaps do a little bit of like how many different coins can make a particular amount. Just for example, 50p. So 50 pence, oh that's a great start. A 50 pence piece, what ways can you make that? That's always a good one to work with the children doing. And then we'll probably be doing some problem solving as well by the time that we finish with the money topic. So if you would be able to let your children perhaps look at a purchase at a shop, a small purchase, say something that's worth 30 odd p or 70p or something like that, and you give them that coin that will pay for that amount, and then talk about what change they would have. So for example, if someone was to pay 36 pence for something and they used 50p, what would the change be that they would get? So if you worked with that with your children, then that would be a great help for us and for them. The other thing that we're going to be doing then is multiplication and division, and there's going to be a couple of ways in which we do that. One of them will be pictorially, so we'll be looking at sort of repeated addition. So it might be that your child has, tens and ones. This is our place value grid. They might have 31, okay? And we might say, what would 31 times 3 be? Okay, and that sounds like a huge amount for the children, but when you do it pictorially, it seems to make sense. So we need to make sure that we've got 3 tens and a 1 3 times. Okay? And then we can work out how many tens we've got and how many ones, and that will answer the questions. So if you want to work through things like that with your children pictorially, then that'd be great. Another way that we will do it is just your proper formal written method, and that would be something like this, okay, where first we will times the ones column, and then we would times the tens column. So we would just literally say, what are 3 lots of 2, 3 times 2, and we would write the answer into that ones column. And then 3 lots of, we can say 3 ones at this stage, but as long as they understand that that 1, its value is 10, or we could say 3 times 10. So 3 times 10 is 30, or 3 ones are 3, placed into the tens column, and there we get the answer to that one that way. Right, another way that we might do it is if we had a number line. And it could be that we want to find out what 3 lots of 3 are. So we'd start with 0, and we'd make 1 jump of 3. I'm going to write 1 jump there, and I'm going to put 3 in there because that's how many I've jumped. And if I'm 0 there, then I get to 3. I'm then going to do that second jump, so I've got to do 3 of them. I'm going to write 2 jumps there to check how many jumps I'm making. Write that I'm jumping 3 more, and so on. So you would get the answer on a number line as well. So that's your multiplication. Your division is almost the same. We will do it pictorially. We will do it with the number line, okay, and we'll certainly use this place value grid here. So that's your maths for the half term.